Welcome to 370 North Grove Drive here in beautiful Island. This home is all about opportunity. Opportunity to personalize, opportunity to grow into, and opportunity to live in one of the most desirable parts of the Space Coast. With a solid structure, a clean and well-maintained interior, and a location that puts you minutes from everything, this isn't just a house, it's a canvas that's ready for you to shape into exactly what you want. And look, every home brings up questions for buyers. That's normal, so I want to walk you through a few things buyers sometimes mention and show you why they are not actually deal breakers and why they might bring advantages. Some buyers initially say the floor plan isn't their style. Totally understandable, layouts are emotional. But once you walk it a second time, you start to see how flexible it actually is. Whether you work from home, need separate spaces, or want a multi-purpose room, this layout adapts. And with just a few small design updates, the flow can completely transform. Another comment I hear is about the road behind the home. Here's the upside you don't even get in other homes. No rear neighbors, no two-story windows staring you into your yard. You get privacy, airflow, and the freedom to build the backyard you want without worrying about people right behind you. Some mentioned the master bath. And sure, it's ready for a fresh touch, but that's what makes it perfect. You're not paying a premium for someone else's taste. A few simple updates, a modern vanity, lighting, mirrors, can make it feel brand new without a major renovation. It's a blank slate with huge upside. And the other benefit is I'm a building contractor. So if you're looking for a home with solid bones, a great location, privacy, and the ability to tailor it to your lifestyle, 370 North Grove Drive might be the one that surprises you. Come walk it in person, imagine your change, feel the potential this home offers. Jeff Hagan, Coldwell Banker, 321-228-0127.